Meaning of Doberman, pinscher.
Doberman, pinscher.
Doberman, pinscher.
Doberman, pinscher.
Doberman, pinscher. The Doberman, also known as Doberman pinscher, is a medium-sized breed of domestic dog originally developed around 1890 in Germany. They are intelligent and loyal dogs that were originally bred for their guarding qualities. They typically have short, sleek black or brown coats with rust-colored markings on the face, chest, and legs. They are known for being fearless and confident, which makes them excellent guard dogs. Dobermans are often used in law enforcement and search and rescue work, and they make great family pets for those who are willing to provide them with plenty of exercise and attention.